Okay children, let's continue here. We have been seen one non-governmental organization. Here we have another non-governmental organization, Save Our Soul, SOS. SO means Save Our Soul, SOS. So here what this organization does, let us see here. SOS Children's Villages is an independent non-governmental social development organization. Okay, it's an independent non-governmental social development organization. Independent non-governmental social development. Socially it is working, socially it is developing. Okay. So what is that provides family-based care for children in India. So its aim is to provide children family-based, to whom the children who are parentless, the children who don't have homes, for them giving a parent guidance like villages. So here what they does, they have villages. So where these villages they bring those children, those are orphans, those who don't have anybody, and they give literally they give them their parent like guidance there. They have elders who could be their father, mother, like a family based. They will create a village, there is a environment over there. So that is what a SOS job. Family based care for children in India. It advocates the concern, rights and needs of children. So actually it works for family like care program, family strengthening, inspiring stories of children. So it works for these three. So family like care, where normally a child, whatever the values what it gets in family, it provides. Actually the values of SOS are courage, commitment, trust, accountability. So courage means we take action. Commitment, they keep promises. Trust, believe in each other. So accountability, reliable partners. So in working in Pan India, it has many villages across every larger city in India, where there are many villages of SOS where children live and they are given this care, family like care, family strengthening, and also they inspire the children's stories over there. Whatever inspiring stories children have, they bring us to people here. So these are the values what they follow are courage. That means they believe in taking action with the courage. Any child is, they would back them with the courage. Commitment, they keep their promises. Whatever the promises they make, they keep. Trust, these are the values SOS runs through these values. Courage, commitment, trust and accountability. That means reliable partners. They believe where you can really reliable upon them, can trust them and believe them and move with them. So that is the job of SOS. So here it advocates the concern, rights and need of children. So look forward what is the rights of the children and the need of children. More than 6,000 children and young people live in 33 SOS children's villages and 27 SOS youth facilities in India. So more than when it was printed it was this much, but by now if you Google about this, in every village, every SOS village you can find many more than this. Much more than this what you find, and there are in many cities there are many SOS villages also. Okay, at SOS Children's Village, the organizers believe that every child should grow up in a strong family environment, and so their work helps families to create a loving, caring home. So it believes, as I said, it values what it believes in. So every child should get a family, strong family bond. And so their work help families to create a loving, caring home. Their work focuses on strengthening families, helping them to stay together during difficult times and provide the best care possible to their children. So how to, in difficult times, how to stick together, how to build their relationship, and also they would assure the best care what they could give for their children. The needs of a family can be varied. The family depends. The needs of every family couldn't be same. So in that, according to that, they work. SOS Children's Village experts work with families to help them develop a wide range of skills, from household budget planning, how to get a job and earn a living, to bonding with a child or young person and learning to create a stable family life at home. So they, see how deeper they work is the village experts work families to help them develop a wide range of skills where they could go for a job, or they could do some business, from household budget planning, from household, the planning, from their home, whatever the budget planning, they could run a business from that. How to get a job, earn a living, earn their livelihood, they train even that. To bonding with a child or young person and learning to create a stable family life at home. Bonding, how to create the bonding in a family with a young person and even with a child. And they normally creating a family atmosphere, making them to strengthen themselves, making them to strengthen their bonds with each other. That is the work of SOS. Sometimes, however, it is not possible for a child to stay in the family. In these cases, the organization works to find tailor-made solution that responds to each situation, keeping the best interest of child or young person in mind. So sometimes it is not possible for the child to stay over there. So they find some suitable thing what could be done to the child, keeping the child's interest in their mind, which will be suitable for the child, that they see. SOS Children's Village is the only organization of global impact that provides direct care to children who can no longer stay with their families. It's the only organization who provides a direct care to children who could no longer stay with the family due to some problem. So it provides a direct care. Family through advocacy, SOS Children Village aim to improve the overall framework, conditions for children whose parents cannot take care of them or who are at the risk of losing the care of their families. So finally, through advocacy, through counseling, SOS Children Village aim to improve the overall framework conditions for children whose parents can't take care. So they could, the situation, if there is a situation, somehow the child couldn't stay with the parents, or the parent can't take their responsibility. What they do, they counsel them, or who are at the risk of losing their care of their families, the children who are really at the verge of losing their family care. Then successfully advocacy, nothing but counseling based on their experience as a practitioner, brings about changes in policies and practices that weaken children's rights, lead to sustainable change to improve the situation for children and families everywhere. So through practice, through many rules, regulations, what is written there, and the changes what they bring in every child's right, with that they could bring change, they could improve the situation of the child and families everywhere. So totally they believe that a child need a strong bonded family for a bright future, for a good living. So they always work for to strengthen the bond. If at all in any situation the parent could not give, or the child is losing the care, so what they do, they work, they advocate, or they counsel them through their experiences, through their practice laws, whoever there, with them they work, and somehow it is always to improve the situation for children and families everywhere, just to make a good family. Okay children, that was about our the lesson, reaching the unreached. So here we have seen the organization, we have seen first the examples of children who are really working for the children, the rights of children, the basic rights of living, the standard of living, what they every child really needs. So we have seen the organization how they have been working for them, SOS and CRY. So these both organizations are non-governmental organizations who are working. The both organizations are different. some are working as a bridge between the community of the children and also as the street workers who are social workers who want to help them. And here also there are another SOS, that means Save Our Soul organization, who really want to give the children the family based care or rights. So these are about the concern of government or every person about the children who are the future of our country, or you can say the world, to how to save them, how to give them a bright future that only could happen through a strong family bonding or care. So each and everyone need to care about such children. So here this is an awareness program to bring aware among people that each child counts, their life counts. We need to care for them. So here we finish our lesson, children. We'll continue in our next class, the next lesson.